Alright, masarap na umaga na naman sa inyong lahat. Pero hindi lang dahil kakain tayo ng almusal, ha? Actually, meron akong masarap na ka-date din. Shh! Huwag mong isumbong sa asawa ko, ha? Kasi magsiselos yun. Gusto niyo bang sumama sa date namin? Sige, halika.
This is for you.
Wow! Thank you! Give me a big kiss! Are you ready to eat cereal?
Yeah!
Yeah! What would you like to order? You want this one?
This one and this one.
Pagpunta nyo pa lang dito, takam na kayo dahil as you can see, parang eye candy yung store pa lang. You've got orange chairs, white tables, and a wonderful display of confectionery sweets.
There was a cereal cafe in the US, so we wanted to bring it here. Pero in addition to that, we added humor and made it more Filipino.
Main market namin is composed of students from preschool up to college. So that's mga as young as 5 years old up to 22.
If you check the menu, maraming mga iba't ibang klase pwedeng mga fruits and cereal, nuts and cereal, chocolate and cereal. So you have a nice, interesting new thing to eat in the morning, and it's very yummy dahil pwede kayong mag-cater sa sarili mong taste, and higit sa lahat, it's fun. At ang kinakain ng anak ko ay kanyang creation. We've got chocolate wafer bits, graham crackers, chocolate and vanilla flakes, gummy bears, and a chocolate milkshake. Hindi ko maisip kung anong lasa nito. Very interesting talaga na ang isang popular almusal tulad ng cereals. Ngayon ay ginawa ng mas loaded. Kaya light breakfast man, siguradong busog ka pa rin. Sulit na sulit din ang kanilang presyo. 50 pesos for the small size at 85 pesos naman para sa bigger size. Ang mga ibang items na pwede nyo i-order sa menu ay inspired from famous movies. Katulad dito, The K After Tomorrow. Ito, about a hoy. Kumbaga sa takilya, blockbuster talaga dito. Kaya naman I give Cerealicious my 4 cups of coffee.